Apple's self-service repair program raises a lot of questions, like will the important battery display message show up after replacements? Will parts still be serialized? Will Apple be releasing programmers with their tools? Well, iOS 15.2 Beta 3 just came out, and it seems like it'll answer a ton of our questions. So we decided to update. This update is rumored to allow users to see the service history of an Apple device, and whether they use genuine or non-genuine parts, which is good. Like, really good. Sorry, I kinda had trouble saying that, because Apple. Before we get too excited, let's make sure the rumors are true. We'll be updating this iPhone 11 Pro to iOS 15.2 Beta and seeing what kind of messages we get when swapping parts. The phone's now updated, let's check for the new feature. We're gonna go straight into settings and see if the rumors are true. And they are. There is now a section in settings about titled Parts and Service History. We also changed the screen on this iPhone 11 Pro with both an original and an aftermarket screen to see if the device could tell the difference. We were surprised to find out that it could not. Or so we thought. Upon doing a little more research, we discovered that parts that have been used or installed on another iPhone fall into the category of unknown parts, which means all refurbished or parts that have been pulled from another device fall into the same category as aftermarket parts, thus making any part obtained from anywhere other than Apple display that message. When Apple announced the self-service repair program, many of us found ourselves asking the same question: what's the catch? Well, this is it. Categorizing refurbished parts as non-original means pretty much nothing has changed, except now you can buy parts directly from Apple, which will likely cost you an arm and a leg, and possibly a toe. This also means that programmers for displays and batteries will not be a part of Apple's self-service repair rollout. The replacement parts will likely serialize themselves once installed. Still, knowing your phone's parts and service history is not a bad thing. I just wish that original parts that have been refurbished could fall into another category. Anyway guys, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know your thoughts on this topic. It's pretty interesting.